All right, everybody. Today you are going to be doing DESMOS graphing for the first time in my class. So you're going to go to Toy Car Graphing on Canvas. You're going to click this. And then this page will open up. You need to click this file and then open that up. And then you have two graphs to make. We're going to make the first one together. It will go really fast. DESMOS is pretty cool like that. But you click this link. And then you're going to be using your DESMOS graphing checklist that is in your notebook from today. So when you graph, you need to sign into DESMOS. So sign in, just continue with Google. Your PPS account should already have one. And then you also are going to need to open, so back to Canvas, let's go home. You're gonna want your data open from your toy car investigation. So click that link, make sure you're on the right class. I am going to do period. Who has the most data? I'm going to do period 3. I think they have the most data. That looks good to me. So, okay, back to that graph, that DESMOS checklist. So sign into DESMOS, we did that. Enter your data for both variables. Your independent variable is your time. So your time down here, you only need to give me 2 decimal points. So time is going to be 2.75, 5.15, 5.15, I think it was 7 point something, 7.32, and I'm getting these from this row right here. 7.32, 9.91, 32, 9.91, and then we have one more time to put in. So that time is 12.22. 12.22. Now we need our distance. So our distance is much easier. So we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you should already see that relationship is starting to line up. But your next step is lining up that, using that A value slider. So your A value is going to give you an equation at the end, but you want the line that lines up best with this. So your line of best fit is that red line. So it says identify the A value for your graph. On the side it says A equals 0.4. That's your A value. So when you're doing your assignment with this, that's your A value. This B slider for the second graph, you're going to start at 2 or set it at 2 because that was your starting point, but for this you don't need it. So it says identify the equation that describes the relationship between your variables. You really have to take these out first. So it says delete any additional equations by clicking the X next to the equation. You know you're using your red line, so keep your red line. So delete everything else. So now you just have that one nice red line, and that means your equation is going to be D equals AT. But if you put in your A value for that A, it's going to be D equals 0.4T. So that means every 0.4, so you times the time by 0.4, and that would be your distance, and that is your relationship. So now it says click on your curved arrow to share your graph. Your curved arrow is right up here. You want to export that image. You want to download that image. You want to copy the image, and then you're going to go back to your assignment, and you're just going to paste that in right there. So it should look like that at the end. You should have 2 graphs. I put it in the wrong place. So it says insert graph here. So I'm going to insert graph here because I read the instructions. All right, that's your first graph. Should be really quick and easy. Good luck, and as always, have fun. Mr. Bear out.